to my channel. Before we get started, I'm going to show you the products that I'm going to be using today. I'm going to wet my hair first and use the aloe and extra virgin olive oil, and then for my scalp, vitamin E drops. I have my mask in a bowl, and all I did was I used my blender to blend out the aloe and the olive oil, and then I put the mixture into the pot, and then I warmed it up for about like a minute on high on the stove, and this is what it came out to. So I have my hair sectioned into 4 parts. It's actually called a hot oil treatment. So I have an empty bottle with this kind of top on it. I'm going to pour my treatment into this bottle and apply it onto my hair. I'm going to just apply it to my hair. And I'm going to just apply the rest of the product to the back of my hair off camera. So I'll be back. As I was doing my hair off camera, I did this side off camera, I found another way to add the aloe to your hair, and it works so great on my hair. I cut the edges off the aloe, and I kept the skin on one side, and I cut the aloe, like this side of the aloe. I'm going to take my aloe and rub it onto my hair. And like I said, this section has no products in it. Like, I didn't put any oils or anything in it. Look how my hair is. Like, look how my curls are. This is what the aloe does. The aloe. Especially the ends. Then I'm going to finger detangle. And look at that. If your aloe begins to like dry out, all you need to do is press your nails into it and everything, it'll all come out. So let me add it on to this dry part. And apply the vitamin E drops to my hair. Now that I added all of the product, I'm going to use my shower cap. I'm going to leave it in for about 10 minutes, and then I'm going to wash my hair